Bling got him own show. Check it out on YouTube. We must show you fi cook the rice and peas and not food. Aki, saltfish, fried dumpling and callaloo. Go watch his show and tell your friend them fi follow to the fried chicken, curry chicken, and them cook brown stew. If you want to learn fi cook, then I Bling the fi go to the porridge, the soup, and them cook ox steak. Keep the link in the description if you want to know the Bling cook.
Yes, my people, welcome back one more time in a Bling kitchen. As I say, yeah man, I want to big up everybody who watch my channel and subscribe to my channel. Anyone on the in the world, I want to big up all manners and respect to you. So I say, yeah people, it's the next nice day outside, the sun and shine. It's not that cold today. As I say, so me in a good spirit today too as well. As I say, people, so you can see on my table, I have one breadfruit. As I say, I wash it off. As I say, a while ago and give it a little slice up this, a little cross slice. As I say, cut out a little piece of the heart out there, so you see it, to make it go and steam up. You see me, I say, yeah people, today I'm doing some brown stew chicken back. One more day and I'm again kitchen again, chicken back. You see me, I say people, brown stew chicken back with the roast breadfruit and fried breadfruit too. You see me, so I do roast it, fry piece of it, have piece with roast and have piece with fried. So right now people, I just want to go and tune in. You see me, I say, today in a Bling kitchen, roast breadfruit and brown stew chicken back. You see me, I say, so big up on yourself and one day in the world. Is what I say, and I watch my channel right now. You see it? Me light up the jerk pan outside already, because I use the jerk pan today for roast the breadfruit. Is what I say, I not use the oven today, I use the jerk pan. So I just want to go and tune in, because I just want to go outside right now. You see it? So let's go and big up on yourself. Fire light up, you see it? Jerk pan out here, so don't know, got the breadfruit right now, the middle, so you see it? So yeah people, I just want to just go up the jerk pan and the breadfruit go and roast up, you see it? Yeah, the breadfruit up on the fire now I roast up, so what I do here now, I don't wash up my chicken back already with lemon. So I say, make sure it's clean and fresh as it. So right now what I do, you can done say them big piece, so I cut them up, you see me I say, and then they're gonna tune in and watch what go on, you see it? So you don't know, cut it up and then it starts the season up. So if you season up, I have some all-purpose seasoning over there. So I have some paprika, I have some black pepper here, so Maggi, you see me? Chicken seasoning, you see me I say people? Yeah, so for my sauce as well, I have some ketchup, I have some reggae sauce too. You see me I say? I have some seasoning over here, so I wash up, I have some scallion, I have some thyme, you see me I say? I have some onion, you see me, I have some garlic, tomato, you see me I say? So yeah people, I don't see what I want right now, so I just have to cut up the chicken back right now. Yeah people, I cut it up to the size when I want them, you see it? So yeah right now, I start the seasoning up now, you see it? So I cut up a piece of onion and some garlic, you see it? So I'm just going to drop it on it right now, you see me I say? So yeah, for the seasoning, them I'm going to put on it, you don't need more than a tablespoon of each one of them seasoning, you see it? Due to the amount. You see it? So right now I'm going to start the seasoning right now, you see it? So for the all-purpose seasoning, I'm going to say a tablespoon of seasoning is good enough, you see it? The amount, same thing for the Maggi. Tablespoon. Paprika, no, you just want a teaspoon of paprika on it, you see it? No more than a teaspoon. With the black pepper, teaspoon of the black pepper, I have to grind it out, you see it? So you don't know me to cut the camera off here, so you see it? Yeah, black pepper dip on it now, so I start the seasoning up, combine it up together now, you see it? So let's go and show you people, I've done the seasoning up over here, so I'm going to tip a little bit of browning on it, you see it? So for the browning, I have some grace browning, so for the browning, I don't need more than about half teaspoon of browning, you see it? Yeah, so I just want to rub up that now and come back to it. So I drop the browning pan it, so I don't want it too black. That is my texture is alright for me, you see me? So right now I just want to leave this to go and marinate for 10 minutes. I cover it up with a plate and then I check the breadfruit outside, you see it? So let's go and tune in and watch what I want. Yeah, man, breadfruit, good, you see it? That's what I use as stick. And just stir up the fire a little bit, make the flames come out more, you see me? So yeah people, I give it one good 10 minutes back in, go and marinate it, you see it? I just drop on one frying pan on the fire a while ago, I just wait till the water dry out of it, throw some oil in it and the process kick off, you see it? Come on, that is good enough. So I'm gonna just drop a piece of garlic in here, make it go and warm up and hot up, is it? So yeah people, right now the process kick off right now, so I just wanna go and tune in. Yeah people, I'm gonna start adding the chicken back now, you see it? Yeah people, just a brown up there for 5 to 10 minutes. Then catch up them color and add some more over here. So as soon as them want the brown up, I just add some more. And I see them process to me ready for the cook down. So that's what I'm showing you. I watch how I go on. I look on the breadfruit one more time. You see? Let's get the first turn. I get it now. Come on. I'm roast and a bake at the same time too. You see? People, couple piece can come out. So I'm gonna take out couple piece and add couple piece more, you see? I'm gonna take out some of them. Add some more. Just a wait on them to burn down some more, you see? That's what I'm showing. So yeah people, everything ready now. So ready to cook them. I cut up my seasoning them towards ready. So I have a Dutch pot over here, so you see me I say? So you see the rest of the oil off of the chicken and chicken back on my fried. I'm going to throw some of the oil in my pot to use it. So get all of the flavor there. So I say, yeah man, that's good enough. So yeah people, right now I'm going to start adding the chicken them right now. You see me I say? Yeah man. I'm going to add in some of the seasoning as well. I'm not going to put everything. Just put in some of the minute. You know what I say? Add some more leave over. So when the chicken cook down with first set of water, then you don't know the chicken the rest of the seasoning. So right now people don't know the beef are stored with the seasoning like every time the seasoning are cooked down in like 1 5 minutes, then you throw some water from it. So that's one thing where people must start the seasoning then in like a while ago. So right now I'm gonna add some of my reggae sauce and some ketchup on it. So I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of reggae sauce and a tablespoon of ketchup on it, and the whole light go and soak up in there. So that's what I'm showing you. People add in the ketchup, 2 tablespoons of reggae sauce and a tablespoon of ketchup to deep. So I add it in there. So what I'm going to do, I let this go and cook about for 5 minutes. Go and keep stirring it. Let them sauce that cook down in the chicken is in there. So before I start add the water in there. So that's what I'm showing you. And watch what I'm going in there, sir. So yeah, I make it cook down with all of them sauce so like I say for 5 minutes, you know what I say? Yeah man, so right now I'm adding some water in there right now, see? So now I bet this go and cook down now for 15 minutes, is what I say? Yeah man, I bet that go and cook down for 15 minutes and then after that I just add the rest of the seasoning them pan it, taste how the flavor go on with this, you know what I say? So just go and tune in and watch what I'm just cover up my pot right now. Yeah man, I give it a good 15 minutes a while ago making cook down. So yeah people, I give it a taste now and so it tastes like, and then I add in the rest of the seasoning then. Yeah, I just add in the rest of the seasoning them now, you see it? Taste it a while ago, it tastes beautiful. I just add in a little tip of salt on it, you see it? Because it did want a little bit more flavor, but I said I'm not put no more seasoning, I just add a little bit of salt. So yeah people, so I add in the rest of the seasoning them now. So I bet this one cook down for 25 minutes. Is when I say up to 20 minutes. Is when I say, yeah man, I just have it on medium flame stove now. So I just keep a stir and then it's kick off again, is it? Yeah man, so I add in the rest of the seasoning now. So yeah, I can go and take him a little time and cook down now, is it? Yeah, you can next check again, is what I say? Yeah man, looking very nice. And the next 10 minutes for me, just turn on the stove a little bit more from medium, is what I say? So I just making taking time now and go and soak up, is me? It cook already, so I just give it the next 10 minutes till they can go and cook a little bit more. Taste it, everything look very nice. So yeah, just go and tune in. The breadfruit soon ready outside too as well. So just go and tune in, is it? So yeah, at the finishing touch this right now, isn't it, sir? Yeah man, everything good right now. I'm just gonna turn off the stove, take off the breadfruit off of the grill outside, it's ready to just test it a while ago to use it. So it's ready to, so yeah, everything ready to drop now, is it? Brown stew chicken back with the roast breadfruit. Yeah man, this is a wonderful dish. As I say, I'm going to tell you say this is a poor people dish again, people. As I say, you don't know in the country we got breadfruit tree. As I say, yeah, you can pick one breadfruit and go down and shop to buy one $100 worth of chicken back or $200 worth of chicken back, and you get a straight dinner right there. So you see me I say, so this is next one of poor people dish, but this is a very nice dish. So me I say what I really love to as well. So yeah man, so I finishing touch there right there. So I'm gonna look on the breadfruit and see what I go on and come back to it. Is it? So just big up on yourself, anyone who watch from the world. Manners and respect to no all, is it? Yeah, breadfruit ready now. So I'm just making cool down a little bit. So I'm gonna peel them up right now, people. And then what I'm gonna do, fry a piece, half of it, and the other roast piece. I'm just gonna eat it like that. Is what I say? So yeah, just one tune in and watch out. Yeah, people, I cut out the breadfruit the best of my ability. Is what I say, you can see some of it broke up. So you don't know breadfruit stay when you roast, you can just broke up any little time, is it? So yeah, I'm gonna get out a few nice slices anyway too. So when I say I'm gonna fry up a couple of pieces, I'm gonna leave a couple of pieces just like that. So just one tune. Yeah, people, right now I'm gonna start share it out, because you don't know breadfruit and take a long time for fry. Is what I say, so I'm gonna fry a couple of pieces. And then I just bam and start share out the chicken back, is it? So yeah man, I just wait for the oil for warm up. Yeah, finishing touch right now. So I have 2 pieces of just with normal roast. So I say, so the rest of it I fry it up. So see it over here, so yeah, people looking good. So yeah man, lunch ready to be shared now. Is what I say? So yeah people, runs through chicken back. Yeah man, ready to as well. So everything shot now people. So I just want to share it out and get back to now. I'm gonna see what presentation look, isn't it? So big up to everybody who are watching the channel, is what I say? Yeah man, manners and respect to no all, is it? Remember, my kitchen and my kitchen and my cooking and my cooking. Everybody cook different, is it? So you can't criticize. So big up to
the voice of the one Lord God. One Lord God. Yo Bling. Yeah. Cook we a cook, we a cook. Cook we a cook, we a cook. Yeah. Cook we a cook, we a cook. Yo Bling got the recipe book. Yo Bling a cook.